because the setup size is very big. Okay, it just open. Uh, let me open browser, and from where you can download the setup. Okay, just search Qt Creator, CREAT Creator Community Edition. The Qt Creator download. Okay, from here you can download, direct download, yes, or either go to, you need one account. I think yes, you need one account. Here you can see there are many types of Qt software. Free trials also there, business and other evaluation. Okay, so uh, you have to pay some price for this. Okay, if you click here or here, you have to pay some price. If you have a ID, student ID card, you can use this version of Qt if you have one, because it needs whole details of school, apply for school lessons. Okay, so here I will click on community edition. Here I will click on Windows. Then there are two packages, Qt online and offline. Better you click online, it will have some updated packages. Okay, then your setup will start. Okay, or you can use the offline package. How to download, you know. Okay, now just close it down. After you download the setup, just open tools, Qt maintenance, check for updates. Okay, during installation also this menu will show up or pop up. Okay, it is working very slow. I don't know why. Let's check. Okay. While it is checking, let's open one code and how to execute a code. Before executing a code or writing a code, we need to know the IDE very well. Okay, so here is the file section. From here you can create a new project or new file. If you have already done any project, you can open it or import it from here. These are only open and close recent. Edit, disabled, very important, build. While when you write the code now, you have to build it first, then you have to run it. So build and run, very important. Debug, if we will see if your code has any big bug, then you can start debugging it. Analyze option, we can use it later on. Okay, and very important here, tools. Here you can see all tools are there, and very important tools are also there. Right now it is checking. I will show what setup we need to install to get this feature. This is not a single IDE on backend, it has installed lots of tools. So let it check it down. I will show which tools we have to install, and here also some option. Meanwhile it is checking, let's open up. I think net is slow. Okay, here you can see make list. Here if your software has a icon, for example this iTunes has a logo now, you can paste the location here. Okay, these are very main CPP, main Windows CPP, and main Windows CPP functions are declared in default function declared in main window.h. Okay, two extra files are there. Now let's open them. Here you can see, okay, over. Let's tool start maintenance. Okay, during installation this screen will pop up, so just log in with your credentials, then it will check everything online. Add or remove components, just select add and remove components. Since it's a new setup for your computer, since I have already installed, it will now move to the now the main important tools which we need to install. First we need build tools, very important, otherwise your code will not going to run. Second is Qt Creator, any IDE, it may be 17, 18, other versions are also there, and just check it down. I have installed just this Qt 6.10.2. Why I have there are so many versions. These are the latest version, these are the outdated version. Since you are making software which will going to run on Windows 10, 7 and 8 and needs more stability, better you switch to some old version, because the latest version will give some lots of error, okay, debugging error and compilation error, and the outdated version will not going to support the new version of Windows. Better you download anything between 6.10 or 2. Let's see the size of this setup. Okay, I'm clicking on this window. You will see the size of setup is 44 GB, means lots of files are there inside this setup only. Better you just download one option. Your extension should, it's up to you, you need it or not. Developer tools, you have to install all. Just select these options only. Developer tools all, in Qt any one version, better in between any one version, Qt Creator and build tools, and in visual tools optional. Okay, now since I have, let me click here. Since these setups are already there in my computer, the next option is disable. Let me add one option. Okay, or size is very big. Okay, better some small tools. All tools are big in size. Okay, so it will give you this license agreement, then click next. Now it will going to download. Okay, since you have downloaded the online setup, it will pop up like this only. Here the Qt online setup. Okay, when you're going to click it, it will going to pop up this option only. Now it is downloading the package. Please don't install additional tools or anything, because it's going to occupy lots of space. If you have even 1 TB of C drive now, this will going to eat up everything. Better you install only the essential tools and software. This is the latest Qt version, so whatever code you will going to write in this code going to get supported from the latest version of Windows. I have tested many code here. Okay, I have also posted some repository on my GitHub profile related to calculator. Not only calculator, I have done many Windows software here. Let me show you this software. You have seen this engineering calculator. They have see, they have done such a beautiful work, but what they have used to draw this? They have used anything special? No. So from this Qt development tools, you can design any Windows software, basic Windows software. If you want to develop a professional Windows software, you need Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. This setup size is very big. I think over 38 GB or 40 GB setup. After installation, it will going to occupy over 60 GB. So using this software, you can do anything related to Windows. Remember, it is a development tool. You will get lots of bugs and errors while executing the code, even while linking. So better take help from anyone, or if you're a professional, so you don't need any help. If you're a new or a fresher, so you need some experienced person. Okay, so just download this Visual Studio. There are little confusion whatever Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Okay, just stay here only. Let's discuss. This is the syntax of C++. You have seen in C++ how we include any library by writing sharp include in header file. If you don't know how to write a code in header file, you have to learn it. You first this declaration starting of header file, then again some libraries. Inside that libraries, I am class. I'm declaring one class. You know class. In object-oriented programming, we have class. In class, we have just written a calculator function. Okay, and we have taken some variables, and we are passing through evaluate function, double evaluate function. In private, we have lots of data types like enum token, structure data type is also present here, structure qstring double anti-boolean. Okay, we are passing this variable through templates. Actually, templates are very advanced topic, but just remember, here we are taking the value, and from this value we are passing through the q vector. Okay, now just move to the calculator, the CPP. Here you can see q vector. After you pass the value to this, we have included, they are default libraries in C++. We have included the calculator.h. In calculator.h we have q vector. Okay, and here you can see we have declared the include calculator.h. remember, both files should be in same folder. Okay, otherwise declare the path. Next, we have used constructor. Okay, what are constructor? It is in programming. You can see here the tokenizer. Again, we are removing zero with spaces, and here while loop until it gets closer to n, less than n. Okay, you will going to iterate here only, and next, this scientific notation. Okay, since it is the calculators have many buttons, we are going to pass through this. Actually the code is very lengthy. So uh, I have created a code. Let me show you how to execute it. Okay, later I will going to, okay, just run it. See, it is running application modes. It is no. If your code has some errors, it will going to show you errors. Now you can see my just I've executed my calculator. Here no logo is there because I have placed nothing. In about, you can see my name and other things. Okay, just closing down. Okay, let's check one. 0 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 0 equals division by 0. Okay, now 12 into 12 equals to 144. Here you can see history. Whatever we are executing, it is automatically getting saved here only. And these are the very small calculator. You can write code for scientific calculator also. Here, since in a code format, it is not converted in .exe file, we have to recompile it using some tools. Then it will going to create a exe file, and in exe file we have to add some libraries. Otherwise this software will not going to run in another computer. Okay, so I have just showed you the calculator picture. So by this you can, let me check it is installed or not. Again I am saying, while downloading, in this area when see 4 minutes remaining and the network is paused. It is taking lots of time. After this this file is downloaded, now it will going to install, then finish. If you get this uh, option, your setup is totally finished. Now you can write a code and build software. Okay, so I think this it has taken lots of time. Let me finish it up. So it is now downloading. 4 minutes more. Let us get download.